gele to be tight.
Deputy, looking good and looking nice. Deputy,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
deputy,
Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that their beauties only specialize in makeup and hair, now let me shock you. Ha, we in that beauty studio, we are also specializing in traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce oil perfumes. We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can do your professional photo shoot and also do some creative artworks. Now let me bust your brain and bust your dada. Hey, we also train people for makeups, guillotine, and a lot more. Just call on Deck Beauty and she'll be right there with you. She travels worldwide, international connection. She's there, always available. Epa mi ra papa foba ugo oba terere carry aye.
everybody look, see what the Lord has done.
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 Look, see what the Lord has done.
We love you. All the Deck Beauty fans in the world. Deck Beauty is sending bunch of love to you all. Receive love, receive beauty. Ragamuffin.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. Deputy,
In case you need your gele to be tight.
deputy, looking good and looking nice. Deputy,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
deputy, anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. Deputy,
In case you need your gele to be tight.
deputy.